Your right forward for 1. Step your right back for 2. You're going to do a syncopated rock and forward with your left foot for 3 and forward. Yeah? From here, you're going to give me a step left forward, right, left, right, right, left, right. Rock your left forward with a half triple for 5, 6, half 7, and 8. Yeah? Let's break just that 8 down. Your weight is on your left, pointing forward with your right. 7, 8. This is point, step, rock and forward, point, step, rock and forward, step, lock, step, rock, recover, half, turn, pull. How do we do? Alright, so it counts. Weight is on your left. 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step, lock, step. 5, 6, half, 7, and 8. Yeah? Move on from there. Perfect. Alright, so you just did your triple, your half triple, left, right, left. You're going to give me a right side triple, give me a quarter turn to the left, or right together, right. Yeah? Let's go ahead and add that on. It's easier to get into it if you just add it. So face the front, we're going to go from our rock forward with your left foot. Weight is on your right, rocking forward for rock, recover. Everybody's just standing there. Okay, let's go ahead and do that from the top. That way you can get into it. Just know after your half triple, you're going to a quarter triple. Weight is on your left, pointing forward. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, quarter, 7, and 8. Should be facing the patio. Weight is on your right.
See another one?
Good from there?
Yeah.
Awesome. From here, you're going to give me 3 sailors. One with your left, one with your right, and then we'll talk. So your weight is on your left, your right. Go ahead and give me a left sailor for 1 and 2. Right sailor for 3 and 4. You're going to give me another sailor on your left, but you're going to give me a quarter turn back to the front for 5 and 6. Yeah? Let's do just that. Weight is on your right, just the sailors. 7, 8. This is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, quarter, 5 and 6. To finish that 8, you're going to give me a hip ball forward. Take your right forward, step down, step your left forward. Yeah? Go ahead and do just that 8 count with your sailors. Weight is on your right, you're facing the patio. Starting with your left sailor, 7, 8. This is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, quarter, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Yeah? Add that to the top. Weight is on your left, pointing forward. With counts. 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, quarter, 7 and 8. Sailor 1 and 2, 3 and 4, quarter, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay? Awesome. I like this. Let's see who's talking about. Alright, come here. You're doing your heel jacks. Vaudeville heel jacks, same thing. So watch, don't do. So we just did our kick and forward. My weight is on my left. You're going to cross side, heel, recover. Cross side, heel, recover. Yeah? So we're going to do that together. Weight is on your left. This is 7 and 8. Weight is on your left, crossing over for 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. You good with that? Go ahead and give me a jazz box. A right jazz box with a quarter turn to the right. Cross over, step back, quarter side, forward. And the dance ready to restart. Yeah? Let's go from our sailors at just the last 16. Your weight is on your right with your left sailor. 7, 8. This is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, quarter, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Weight is on your left. How do you do? Just add all that to the top and move on. Weight is on your left, pointing forward. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, quarter, 7 and 8, sailor, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Better? Yeah? Alright. So, the tag next look you now happens here. Right after your first ball, you're facing the patio. All you're going to do is give me a knee step. Who does not know what a knee step is? Got it. How are you going to look at I promise this is your okay. So, from here, you're going to give me a knee step. All you're going to do is step your right out, step your left out, step your right back to center, step your left next to your right. Make sure you place your weight on your left. That's all your tag is. Great to be. Let's go ahead and practice that. Let's just go from the top and add it in. Always good time practice. Weight is on your left, pointing forward. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, quarter, 7 and 8, sailor, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, quarter, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, tag, out, in. How's it doing? I heard perfect. Oh, that worked. Alright. Alright, let's go ahead and do this ball. Same hands, I promise. I'll engage as a thing. Weight is on your left, pointing forward. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, quarter, 7 and 8, 0, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, quarter, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? And then you're all facing the right direction. So your first restart happens on this wall. You're going to do your first 8 counts and restart at the top. Go ahead and practice that. Weight is on your left, pointing forward. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, restart. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, quarter, 7 and 8, sailor, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, quarter, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. How do we do? Good with the restart? Yeah? I'm hearing anything different. One more time? Yes, so one time on this wall, then your second restart happens when you get back to the patio. The same spot. We'll go over it. Alright, let's go ahead and do this wall. When we get back to the front, we're going to keep going. Yeah? Weight is on your left, pointing forward. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, quarter, 7 and 8, 0, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, quarter, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, keep going, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, quarter, 7 and 8, 0, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, quarter, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 counts. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, restart. That is your second restart. First time you get back to the patio. That's it. That's it. We will. I will. How do we feel? Any sticky areas? Anything you want me to go over?